Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Scanner in 60 seconds by Sadal Syrian Network and vSphere administrator and virtual instructor, 8 and founder of Network Software. So, scanner is an input device and pen drive is not output device because it pens the soft copy into the hard copy. And scanner is input device because it gives input to the computer to convert the hard copy into the soft copy. So a scanner is a device that can create digital copies, mean a soft copy of physical documents or images, mean hard copies. Okay? It works by passing the document or image over a light sensitive sensor which captures the details and converts them into digital data. Scanners are commonly used to create electronic versions of paper documents or digitalize or digitize photos. The resulting digital files can be saved, edited, or shared on a computer or other digital platforms. And we'll discuss about fingerprint scanner device as well, okay, and biometric scanner device as well. So you can know about that in IT in 60 second playlist videos on Net Software YouTube channel.